that first song, "Yeah Make Me Smile," that EP.
Yeah.
The first song was a mistake. Okay.
John.
Listen. So I'm a producer, and like whenever like I make my beats, I always try to make sure that my beats are unique. If the Xigaza, my Xigaza shouldn't sound like Xigaza swamanyane. Kuna the producer that would the samples, those things my melody do create winning.
Yeah.
That's also cheating. If we're to blame AI, that's cheating as well.
If I blame it from
Hey, why don't we blame the ones that like just found something that somebody made it? And they're saying AI is taking from the already existing what.
There's a lot of songs.
There's a lot, right? So we should blame those ones first.
Okay, so look, we are sorry, but you can try your luck. I'm going boxer. I'm just I'm taking.
Yeah.
Marale Angela, I should say free. Sama, that's one of
Tama na hina eka Shangan Gang Podcast Network. Hira vumbiri rin'wana na rin'wana evhikini hafu ku bile awara ya 12. Mi nga kayeli leswi. Hi swi twini mi swi twini. Hi mi tisela to hisa kumenemene na mavarivari eka Gaza. Kasi ra vumune ra vhiki na vhiki hi mi khomele mbulavulo wa leti na letiya. Hi ya emahlweni hi dyondzisa hi hlohlotela no hlayisa ndhavuko wa Xitsonga xerhu. Twanani la sonta rin'wana na rin'wana ra vumbirhi en'hwetini hi ku ya hi vhiki hi ku phamela swakudya swa tindleve evunangeni hi mbulavulo wa tiqambi teru na eximoyeni hi pfuxelela vupfumeri ni mbulavulo. Seketela, rhandza u tlhela u avelana na van'wana ntsena eka Shangan Gang Podcast Network.
Njhani Matsonga machangana nxevo ta tingwendza vala no flag episode man. Okay, ani ku nxevo ta tingwendza lava nga teka lava nga tekiwa lava nga tshikiwa lava fostelaku hinkwako lama nga kona na mxeweta another episode ya evunangeni before ni ya mahlweni emtani khomela na mkhuhlanyana Dee Roka na mkhuhlanyana mara anse hole ta tira ngari lo endlele leyo mara nta kombela maninganga la van lapha
Yeah.
menga right
Before wanyamala.
maninganga mina umru mkhuhlana andumbeni oh yeah loten andumbeni pam khamisa isa swakona so yeah endlela leyo before ya mahlweni kombela swaku mi subscribe and follow the channel and then also share talk to your friends hi karhi loku voniwa mara kha hi nga landzeleliwi. So at least number ati ehla nyana masivona ku hitirha kahle to tisela vanhu lava kahle lava nga busy in music or va nga busy swin'wana na swin'wana swo yelana na vunanga so let's subscribe and then hi tlhela hi followana and watch the episodes ti tele ngopfu loko mo checka we have different segments na evunangeni leyi hi nga le ka sweswiwani na eximoyeni na hi switwini u switwini ku na yin'wana
Evunangeni.
in
a general.
na general yeah so loko mi lava ku tiva anything about leswi mi lavaka ka Vatsonga history ya kona tipolitiki mi ya ka general loko mi lava na swa xikolo loko mi lava ku tiva ku munhu wo karhi wo endli yini swi huma ndleleni mi ya ka hi switwini laha ya vo Gaza boxa va kha va mena na vo nkateko
Mi sala mani swi tiku nongu twela yini.
mani Gaza boxa a xi mi tshiki ne
Mi tshama xi ri ku ni yevule.
swikomba Jesu mi n'wi vutisa ku mi endlile a ka chati tlapani so
Mu tlakula. No mara it I solve.
okay yeah Dee Roka byelani vanhu ku namuntlha hi na mani hi vela hi ya mahlweni
Namuntlha hi joyiniwa hi xihla xin'wana ne. I think you introduced me to this guy.
yeah
Ni ku bela mavoko for sweswo. For the very first time Brian.
banani mavoko
For the very first time.
a ka ha ri compliment sweswo
For the very first time u discovera good music.
ne
Yeah.
oh so
Ni veka endlela yaleyo. For the very first time u discovera good music ne. And the day unga posta this guy a group in ne. I think all of us.
yeah
Ne, all of us and bonangi loyi anga fika You know how we talk. You know.
I inengi
I think.
I bambete.
Oh, and xin'wana a fanaka a xi tiva sim card. Yeah. Who's in introduce it?
Yeah.
One thing you should know, ne, like a segment leyi. A hi tsetseleli munhu. Hi nga ku hosta namuntlha munhu loko hi pfuka hi ku byela ku mfana wa mina u bithaka namuntlha. Mara if tlanga swa right,
Yeah.
definitely we're gonna talk about you. There's no way nga vulavula wena. So the day anga ku posta that man, I just went to your ku release a EP ne.
Yeah, yeah, guys.
Yes, yeah.
I released with Mara. I think it was last year, no?
Last year.
This early this year. Yeah.
Not earlier. I think like it's a month ago.
EP.
Yes, guys.
Not
Yes,
I
guys.
found Leah you gonna make me smile.
Yeah. It's a month old now.
Yes.
Yes. So, look, I posted that man. Immediately I went through your EP. Tlanga the first song. What kind of music is this? What is happening here? Tlanga the next song. I thought the first song maybe just an
mistake.
introduction. Or
Yeah.
Next song. Okay. Third song. Until okay. Then we are grouping going for Damanshi Blind.
Yeah.
With Damanshi Blind, we need to have him ka podcast.
Yeah.
So finally we have you. So allow tivisa va yingiseri namuntlha hina sim car. Mara loko hi uchingela.
Loko khosa.
Loko khosa hi uchingela. Yiri ye sim card dama.
Yeah.
On bona nombelani siku rin'wana loko hi tsala ba hi ta va na yena.
You go man sim card.
Man sim card. One more. So ba yingiseri va hina or ba bahlaleri va hina. Hina sim car is one of our munhu loyi a riseaka very fast ka Saitra production.
Yeah.
Ka Xigaza. He came with a very, very different style. Lexi a xi nge tshama hi xi twa or ku endleka a Xigazeni.
Xipano ku Xigaza xa ma 2050.
I Xigaza xa ma 2050.
Ntama hari ko loko se fika 2050.
Oh, ta ha ri kona. Kumbe se ku ta ku ri mina I black coffee wa kona.
Ita eka hi podcast ya kokwana Dee Roka.
Kambe u xi vitana yini I
Afro Xigaza.
Afro Xigaza. Yeah, so he joined with sim car namuntlha.
I'm going your building.
Eh,
Fakere mtatlotlo. La ngo bona mola chikula.
is this Mkateko? I this there.
Lesi mkata kumbana machikelo munhu lama mo tsala ku tlhotlha nga musika le. Hayi.
Mlawo bahlaleri va hleketela yini hi vulavula sweswo.
Lo mbala ba dinenge. Hello. Okay, the DJ. Yeah, you said a lot about Simka. Na side rare music ne. But long before you get music in kuna kunhlangana na moon like this ni kunhlangana na Simka, but I really don't know who's Simka.
You don't even know his name.
Mabona so imago we're having you for the first time na podcast.
Yeah.
Loko hi ramba vanhu let's say va tlhava ya futhi endle swona swo.
Yeah,
Hey wena man me ya ximbu fan o maka ngwamba endle leswi
Yeah.
So like to go outside music who is Simka iman Simka vito and makwini and ikuma kwini so.
Okay. So Simka ne is Kalson Simango ne, and that's where the name Simka comes from, right? So Kalson Simango. Then I started with my surname, which is I took the Sim from my surname, then the car part from my name Kalson, CA.
Yeah.
So that's where the name comes from. Ne?
Yeah.
So Simka uma palavura ne.
So go how got him Zulu how.
Utwa miso lo emasha. No mina hlamala phela. Okay.
Yeah, Simka uma palavura arulekani matsamenkani.
Ila mashaka mahlanganile. Amathama inkani. Lulekani.
Amathama inkani kuna le mathama inkani kuna le
Kuna biko majeje.
kuna la kun'wana la mo ka mi nga ku lavi n'wina. Ile umlani.
Ela mbondlamelani ile.
Serious.
Plan.
Mbondlamelani yo.
Oh. okay.
Mbondlomelani hala Bungeni.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's who Simka is. I don't know if there's anything more you want to know.
No, ban lava ba kana sim ne. Ma wana sure ma na freedom. So I'm free. Anna is immune freedom. Say yes, I'm free. So
No, I think all of us,
Yeah.
the artists, another thing you don't wanna that's what I can I will have to dive it around ra straight.
That's straight.
Understand?
Yeah.
Mina before niba Dee Roka
Yeah.
under DR. I used to uhleka
I got the earlier doctor. I got DEER.
DEER.
Okay. Okay.
So
Oh, Roka earlier is
yes.
Oh.
So most of us, I think,
Yeah.
what are like exceptions.
Yeah. Na mina vele ko no boy na ma utla mga
Oh,
tata.
is
Na mina unlock ba mina Jojo.
George.
Bar lisingo betle real kun kan register ka these platforms. Ba tele go for Jojo. No ven feka na Akani shika.
And I mean DR because there's another DJ Agian.
Yeah.
And she said Carlo.
I should die.
Hey, she blind.
Yeah.
I should do me good lami.
Oh.
So after ending up with me now,
Sim.
stealing his name because there was a time there was a time look abukiwa misa luya ukuma vanhu vanisendela ti-text vanivutisa ku u ta performa hi nkarhi muni mise ni swi vona mara a hi mina
And miso ushile kubuku ngambukio.
buku mali buku nkarhi walope se ni kwa I know xa best i ku cinca vito.
Yeah.
Va ti hlamuselini ku Simka hi ku swi huma ka mavito ma se n'wina i Dee Roka swi huma ka mavito ma
I interview me.
Okay. So I ngene music ne se le vunangeni sweswa. Simka loko usungula music ne usungule hi genre because uleka genre ta loko ncheka your work.
Yeah.
Commit so much. So nakutwa ku usungule hi genre yi ka music when you started.
Okay, so when I started music, I started with hip hop, and which is something that I'm very good at.
How?
I'm very good at hip hop beats.
Okay, before I married, anu uburi
Good.
kombe line timbiri.
No, I'm not a rapper. I didn't say that I'm a
Production.
rapper.
Production
I'm
side.
good at hip hop. Because I know like is asking like about production side,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
So yeah,
Oh, yes.
I'm good at
Oh.
producing hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ko yasla ane I really ganyana fe.
Unlock chance riyo.
Okay, so usungule hip hop ne?
Yeah.
And then at some point ndwelina na Dee Roka la ku. Hey, this guy Simka is not only good, he's Afro Xigaza ne?
Yeah.
Because man I didn't do Afro Xigaza. In when like talk who's this guy? I thought
Yeah.
maybe it's been happening.
Yeah.
Even kuma Afro Tech. Even the DJ no DJ hey mchaka Afro Tech at the man. Hey, she wants to like that.
Yeah.
So from hip hop you got Afro Tech.
Yeah, I can say I went to Afrotech, but at the same time, I got na Xigaza because there's one remix that I once made. Yeah, Rihanna. Yeah, Stay. So yeah, it was the remix. It was trending, ne? But I ended up leaving that.
that song is it trendanya.
Yeah, on TikTok.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, logo then nsuka ka Afrotech na Xigaza leshi. Then it's where then I came up with the Afro Xigaza.
Oh, Afro Xigaza.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then so those other genres, ne, yabo hip hop and Afro Tech. I still doing it. So
No,
yeah,
I'm still even now I can create a hip hop beat if someone was to give me a studio.
Yeah.
I would create a hip hop beat.
Okay. So, DJ,
Yo, na good. And I've checked your catalog, ne?
Yeah.
But I think you were doing more remixes. Takuti remix cause loko ni cheka ka YouTube ne tingoma leti unga ti endla like you were actually saying xitayela xa mani
yeah.
like more especially ka Afrotech.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of Afrotech. I play Afrotech.
Yeah.
3-step loko ni cheka na swi vona ku ri ka vudyela lebya hina hala ka Afrotech we have a serious problem and I feel like you don't have to leave that side though uri busy ka
Xigaza.
I feel like you don't have to leave that side because ka hina Matsonga Xitsonga hi tlanga ku that type of music. We are very few, very few.
No, with me, I believe that the genre Afro Xigaza, it's not only for Matsonga.
Yeah.
That's what I believe.
Yeah.
We can feature Chris Brown, he would like kill the beat. We can feature Rihanna, who would kill it. I don't believe good like Afro Xigaza, it's like a Matsonga and then.
And another thing, which one up, ne? Loko ucheka these days, ne?
Yeah.
Just give an example. Metro Beats featuring Fana Wine.
Lo-fi, something like lo-fi.
Yes. That guy killed the beat. Like, she very rare. Kuri ukuma munhu wa rixaka rin'wanyana loko u n'wi feature ka Xigaza Africa ava sharp. So these guys, they are actually coming up with something. So I believe what you are saying.
And loko mkhambela Magatali Metro Beats ne, remember I once even told you about Paul, the Bliss Boy. Kuna this chick by Lwandlu.
Yes.
Ni vone loko xa record ne. Swi tiki ngopfu vula ku wa ntolovela. Like actually vula mara to sing it. It was something else, and then those guys got to teach that girl go. So I think in a way music low tax is one ne. I think no hlanganisa wa hlanganisa. Iku aningo iloko hlongolweni. So iloko hlongolweni tikweni la verivela mamboni. So I think like music low wa hlanganisa va kota ku twisisa ku okay yini Xitsonga yini Vatsonga and hi tayela shi because if you can check music wa trend ka TikTok
too much.
She balance ka TikTok like everything. So because I'm saying this because I want to ask you a question about Afrotech. Because the when Chelsea talk about Afrotech ne it telling ngopfu atala ngopfu Xitsonga hi kat lyrics it telling ngopfu maybe I think Zulu and everything I ringeta ku line like are you reaching a market or
I can say it's the audience that I have ne ka YouTube. So my YouTube, I can say my YouTube is big ne mara like audience lenga tala la it's not vanhu va Matsonga mostly. You can find out Kurema Zulu, then it's other tribes ne. So when I make a song ne so in like in logo market and if like you make a song one song then it actually blows up ne it means like your audience they do like that song right. So then if you make the second song and it actually blows up like the first song your audience is actually Vandavai. You get it. So I just like kept on like doing over and over the same way. Yeah,
that's what I've realized really because you know Afrotech ne?
It's time hale put it la
Afrotech ne? Let me just be honest ne? Afrotech machangana abesesitwisisa kahle imuse kanjani. You understand? So the reason ukota kukuma those kind of people back follow up ka YouTube. It's because whenever you put the hashtag the Afrotech 999 I'm sure you do that. Post that ngoma ta wena. Rose ofaka ti but in the hashtag to fana na that you get a followship ya
vanhu lava rhandzaka
Afrotech valungu even vanhu va hala xilungwini vo va twisisa ku music Afrotech famba hi and then xini xin'wana na ta xivula
The Afrotech.
Yes, just okay.
And also,
Another-
Afrotech
yes, so-
has been overseas for long.
That's what I wanted
Yeah.
to say.
Shimza Tlangeni, Afrotech.
Eh?
Shimza Tlangeni.
Yeah, they used to,
Afrotech.
it's Afrotech.
Oh
as well.
yeah.
Mina
Yeah,
loko
it's very
nicheka
big.
loko nicheka vanhu lava tlangaka ngopfu music wa mina online a hi vanhu va la South Africa. Ngopfu.
Mazimbabwe, Malawi.
A nga yima na mina.
That's true.
Yeah, a nga yima na mina.
Yeah.
Vanhu lava tlangaka ngopfu music wa mina a hi vanhu va la South Africa. It's kuma ku ri Nigeria, China, Portugal.
It's other countries.
Like let me say just other countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understand? La South Africa, yes, you only get few maybe.
And it's only the people that know you.
Yes.
Better like Dee Roka is released, then let's just stream because we know him.
Yeah.
Byela ku Pitori kuna vanhu va 10 va tlanga ku music wa wena.
Yeah.
Joburg kuna vanhu va 10 va tlanga ku music wa wena.
Mara China kuna
A China kuma
106.
ku ri na 30.
Yeah.
You understand? They don't even know you. Just that anere loko you know YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube loko ufika nghena ka YouTube ufika ku Afrotech. Yi ta humesa any song leyi nga na hashtag ya Afrotech.
Afrotech, yeah.
So I get what he's saying.
So Simka, you just one. I think attention ikale urnayo kam music ne,
Yeah.
and then I dropa EP ya Afro Xigaza. In fact, before we drop, I know you were making teasers. Mina demand ngithola ka TikTok.
Ekhalo ngifollowa Dimane.
No ngithola ka TikTok. Like na mina algorithm. Aningo itele magaza TikTok ka mina. So loko na TikTok kuna ku yikunyika for you.
Yeah.
Loko yunyika following. So andika for you mina kan scroll. So kuma munhu akomi mag ne. Ntatsa ntin'wana DJ ne. But lo ta so anga swi tikuleka ka yini because angeza ngena
Drums.
drum.
Yeah.
Akari piano and pads here and there. His favorite trumpets and
Saxophone.
and
It's a trumpet.
and saxophone.
Yeah.
Oh? So I'm like, kundela yini la one. So I was just interested because the intro in lesisungwana. Ngena beat into no go have kundela yini la one. So guys, I'm like, who's this guy? Oh? So even check some car and then I Facebook. I'm like, okay, now he's okay. This guy Kalagana music, but he's pushing this thingy. Kaza chama 25th. Music was Sunday. Xitsonga cha Sunday, yeah. But this is, and then I started listening to the music. Even though I love it. I maku demon like but I've been telling him what I love music before banana. So
Yeah, true.
and then Jelebi to Lawan.
Yeah.
No can love it in a rent kale.
Ushabelela beat.
I didn't have any beat. So, men like Tewagu, Afro Xigaza, that sound like anesthesis and Logon DJ name. That sound inspired a shot along of that sound. Not trumpets, not saxophone, that's jazz. A lot of piano, like piano ya sound, the piano.
Yes.
It's too jazzy, ne? And the next thing, Okumas next one some genres. So I want to know go. Sound you magu like you magu sound this is going go. Kuna Xitsonga shona chama 2050.
Okay, like at first, what I can say, that first song made me smile. That EP,
Yeah.
the first song was a mistake. Okay.
John.
Listen, so I'm a producer, and like whenever like I make my beats, I always try to make sure that my beats are unique. If the my Xigaza shouldn't sound like Xigaza so manyane. So Afro Xigaza is not the first genre that I created, ne? So there's genre ya SBX in Panam Tonga, ne?
Man.
SBX in Panam Tonga general.
General.
Yeah, general.
Oh.
So kuna territory ya mina.
Oh, yes.
That's a subgenre, ne? And it's not the first subgenre that I created, ne? So we just like didn't give it a name. So for me, I was just like coming up with something new, right? Chela tiporopita kwalaya. With the trumpet, I've been like using a trumpet for long. My Afro, like almost all my Afrotech songs, they have the trumpet. So I just took that trumpet. I was like, let me just try something new, right? Then that came out.
Yeah.
Then I wanted to sell the beat. I won't forget, ne?
Yeah.
I wanted to sell that beat. Then this guy was like, yo, dog, this is crazy, ne? So you know what you can do? Don't sell this beat.
Yeah.
Unganishafseliona this beat. What I'm asking you to do now, make more like this, release them. And that's exactly what I did.
Yeah.
Okay. Big up
So,
that guy. Big up
yeah,
that guy.
so, yeah.
Sorry, man, try.
Yo, I forgot his name, this guy, but I still have the screenshot. I just forgot his name.
Oh, I'm close.
No, it's just like a guy who found like my stuff on I think it's Facebook
Yeah.
or TikTok.
Yeah.
And he just like hit me up as for my
I
now.
know that man who had some akhabula wena.
No, it's not him. Like that guy. It's not him. It's not him. That guy can say he was like an angel to me because we've never talked ever since.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even his number is no longer working or something.
No, Romeo.
Yeah,
Like for real.
Romeo.
Yeah, so let me go back to the sound. So that sound, when I created it, I was just trying to like, you see how rice is. Rice, you can like add a lot of things with janayo. That's why it's called several colors. That's what the genre is. So in the genre, there's hip hop,
Yeah.
there's Xigaza, Afro tech, jazz, there's lo-fi. I'm not sure if you know lo-fi, but there's that lo-fi soulful, it's soulful, something like that. So like I took all these genres, significant mix, and then I combined them into one. You get it? So then like when I made the second beat, that sound, that's where I understood, oh, okay. So okay, this is how the sound is gonna be from now on. Cause like there's 808s, there is hip hop here.
And 808, it's very tricky, ne?
Yeah,
especially when you do mastering.
True, it is tricky.
Yeah.
So there's an 808. There's the head that I play. I just don't like play any head, ne? So that head ya drill, the drill beat, ne?
Yes.
So if someone wants to understand my sound, they should understand that like that sound comes from hip hop, but then I just turned it into Xigaza.
Now that you are mentioning, look strange.
Like true, because there's that head.
Yes.
So like the whole sound is derived by that head. The way that I put my kicks and snares, like they drive that by that head. Yeah.
Mara, that head, ne? Yibe itlolwa isne ka ukwin. Long come tell them bisa ukwin, ne? Ka dipi. Me fala leswani kwaz mflanle mflash ne. Snare drum. Pagushwa.
No,
Yeah.
you know, Mina, I like it, ne? And I think you know.
Yeah.
I always preach about creativity and uniqueness in music because in social media, you don't have to be or to sound like Bliss Boy or
Like somebody else.
Yeah.
for you. Come up with something new. If voice use your own voice. Okay,
Sound
voice
so.
George.
Yeah.
He came up with something new. I don't think mina loko ayofika angena a producer, for example, the beats that kufana na Salad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will be honest with you.
That's the
I Africa simkarla zama kutenda Salad. You umaka we yayingisela Salad.
Yeah,
I understand.
True.
But you came up with something new. Lexi nga fika xikoka vanhu tindlela.
Yeah.
Now you have a song na G-Man.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a song na yena or you just produced for him. The song, I don't know, you release when or I say
Nah, that song is not released. I'm not sure if it's gonna be released anymore, but it was supposed to be released maybe during the week. It was supposed to be released, but we had a disagreement there and there on, because I think like there's something that I've been talking about, that like I came up with the sound, right? And like most of the people, they see this is a new sound, but they don't want the sound to be mine. Owner the sound. So
you know, I think she repost yo yango malia yona G-Man.
Yeah.
I think you saw my comment. When you shared that post.
Yeah.
What I said, Ego, Simka came up with a new sound.
Yeah.
Utashvon.
oh yeah, I saw that.
But
Yeah, I saw that.
And I'm telling you, if you don't own it now, someone will come in and own.
Later will be a
You know the
problem.
dangerous part about this thing there. Iku kufika munhu loyi anga duma ku tlula wena.
That's true.
Understand?
Yeah.
Anga duma ku tlula wena. Africa humesa the similar sound. Now the whole group ya Machangana is going to focus on that.
Yeah.
Ba rivala ku ri
sound le wa nyuma
Tena man. Yeah.
that's why utwa artist in'wanyana tuku hi mina ni nga tisa rap Xigaza because okay if u tisi rap Xigaza some people came the artist one came va fika va yimbelela that way
the very same thing
now no one knows
anga that's kuna confusion ku ri mana
confusion ku ri-
kahle imani kahle imani anga ta na rap sukwini
but Mona yeah you came up with something very different I wasn't
Yeah.
expecting that
and I DJ this guy once posted ne kuna vanhu vo tala ngopfu va lava ku these beats or the sound right now ne I'm not selling beats to anyone but I'm open to collaborations
yes
like loko ku la kumbela na mina and everything we can do that mara ku no kusendela beat not now I just want this sound to be known kore ya mina so when it's out there then I can be selling beats because look I've taken this 2 years down the line this sound ya tebe kamera ayisama yi humesa hi munhu like let's say va ku humese Dee Roka humese ngoma ya Xigaza ni la Afro Xigaza as ka production ne and then now 2 years down the line ne swi tiva ku ri okay I sound ya Simka and then even then yi humesiwa hi munhu un'wana after 2 years ya swi tiva ku ri okay sound leyi yi sungula Simka so and say he's giving out ku ri okay I played my part now you can buy beats and everything you don't have to collab with me as long as mfunela amba nga tsali ku ri produced by Simka ntsena u xava beat ku hi leyi 5,000 la beat no ka beat go and do whatever you want to do so now I think you must own the sound now
yes that's
sweswiwani ne kota ku why hina vanhu vo tala ka Gaza vo fana like sound production vocals va tele ngopfu vanhu vo fana ne but if you are different hey tshama kwalano that's why ni tsakisa hi vanhu va mutakari vo demand leswi a swi cinci leswi
that's what I said
ene ne
Yeah.
ke swi ri valo munhu mutakari pe a swi basi line yale a swi
Yeah.
cinci line leya a sa mfunyeni ka swiko swi la ku ba beat ya Xigaza xama 2K kumbe everything tshama kwala and we know them loko wana munhu a nga ta fika ta hi sound leya ne will know oh manje sound leyiwani yi fana na vanhu va mutakari because it's theirs
Yeah.
so now I feel like it's a good thing if you can own that sound
Yeah.
for now until you really blow because
Yeah.
because for sure something is happening in Xigaza.
and you know the sad part about this thing there
Yeah.
the sad part iku even if why gatekeeper
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
even if why gatekeeper someone is sitting there you know kuna producer
Totally.
Yeah.
Someone is sitting
They're
there,
busy analyzing.
And trying.
analyzing
Yeah.
and trying
I
that's
think
why
like I've came across a couple of videos of the people who try to like recreate this sound.
I know a producer and I know go in better when that guy what he does iku loko mo sangoma ne so shy
kuna lexi ya va ri
very mantsena swin'wana swi nga very mantsena producer like loko munhu a endle ri nghoma ne xa kwenda jikijiki sweswo xi fika xi yi chaya
hi nga ku hi xona xi ndlela xirhungwani nyana
Oh yeah, yeah.
studio
yeah,
xa
yeah.
vona a xi
Yeah.
pensi so
xi fika xi chaya nghoma leswi nga yi swona so there's always
mina xi yi tlangini
quad so xi la ku tlanga Jojo ya Akani
Akani, oh,
so
yeah.
they are trying that's ku swi kahle ku munhu loko ku na new sound make sure ku wa establish swi tiva ku i ya wena before it bans bo fana wena lava va sala ku yi chaya and everything
so mina okay my question will be because vele you need to own the sound
Yeah.
The sound,
Yeah.
my question will be if you want to own it that way where sweswiwani u la ku teka collaboration leya ya ku it's gonna be your
It's
song
my song and we're splitting the song.
okay a hi leswiya swa ku mina ni tata xemfo I
Yeah.
like your style I like
Yeah.
your production ni kombela ku hindla ngoma swilo
Yeah.
so will it be Dee Roka featuring Simka
No, it's Simka featuring Dee Roka.
okay
Just like that.
That's-
That's me owning the sound. Because
Yeah,
like
yeah.
what I've noticed now, logo a producer, so you produce ngoma ne. Then kwa kuna vocalist afika imbelela la. People like don't care about who produced the song.
they don't
people care about who's singing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Tolanga, it's the biggest example.
Yeah, it's the
People are
biggest
saying,
example.
G-Man,
So I saw the
G-Man.
comments. G-Man is good, but lucky, ne? I first released the EP, ne?
Yes.
They posted the way they were,
Yeah.
and people noticed, oh, this sound, ne? Image sim car. But if like I'm gonna release that sound,
Yes.
then I gave like the beat to G-Man. I was just gonna be shadowed just like that. I was just gonna be a shadow, someone shining. Then me, I'm no longer shining. It's my sound. But then, yeah, it's your sound, Mara. You're just there.
I've been telling you a DJ, ne? For a good example, let's say some cars who like Soko. Bano ba landelela munhu loyi a tivekaka, and then they don't pay attention to.
Yeah.
My one one night in Xigaza. I personified.
Oh, really?
No.
Oh, I think
Personified.
it's only a social media.
Producer
These are the days.
DJ K something, you know, no TikTok, ne? We once spoke, not that guy.
Man, this guy texted me.
After
I
we
think
spoke,
I think producing na NC.
yeah,
Ngoma leya ya Ibaz.
lera liya kumak, ne?
Leya ya Baz.
Oh yeah, buzz na one, yeah, buzz.
Ngaka kuyanga producer ngoma leya ya NC ya Baz.
That guy, ne, nasla kumishin after DJ Killer SA. Yeah, na. I got TikTok one day, she and Lash comes up, she produces kuyi. But I was still,
I didn't know.
I didn't know.
yo, from me the moment you give someone biggest in your work, so in that drawing at TV, so they were moon.
You become a shadow.
You understand? But what? Yeah, bongo man. But I was still pursue man. So that guy, no do it. I wanna one day look at the other one.
Kata?
DJ Killer.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. She looked train.
Yeah.
Ufana over fast mara ya.
Mara ekhaleni
Well,
khayeni sabo kwa shem.
Ani
Oh, it's cause come me.
Long shot shiriri.
Mashava yini ngaqondana naye. Mashava lo ushimisa woko.
Ndimuntu dani mushi.
Eh, ikumoshala shinge.
Mala kunyajisa isimkhana.
It's problem. Bechirisha umeza community.
Umphakathi. Andela kusaphumla mqashi la.
Ani ni share video leya yako kwa nchawu ke leya loko vaka ikayichelelwa ijana. So kateko xa comment xiri ya hi swo mi ndla ku swona le ka Xangani gang.
Mendelele ngo.
Ni endla ice girl.
Ni ayigel vele la. Wala kala urumuruma mbi.
Come mad kateko.
Okay.
Yeah, so going forward, mtaitolo vele na hanya sola ka Xangani gang.
Yeah.
It's a good family.
Now that's cool. Yeah.
Ne. So naktiva momese ngoma dai two so one sing.
Yeah.
I fambi ne.
Yeah.
Na loyal ne. So leswi nga swi vula ku ri leswi mi swi pushaka ne ni swi vone la DJ. Kuna this other guys, it's good beast, vocal beast ka Gaza. I know the watch ka come flower station, vocal beast. K-Meda.
K-Meda. K-Meda, if you see this, I spoke to his friend this other day. If you see this episode, we want you here. That much blind and when you.
Mataku ni busy ngoma le ai fambi ne. Ka famba na vanhu van'wana ai Matsonga ne. So demand logo isungula ngoma le isungula English ne.
Yeah.
You will say kutaren being on your chavisa DJ. Long mala ya fambi sungula ne. Ai then she fika xigingisha simkha. Kuba Afro Xigaza ne. And then this other girl was like, "Yo, man show Chris Brown." Taman sha imbelela ne so when she got to magata ku social to prove a point le simkha anga ibola ku okay, he wants to own his own music.
Yeah.
Cause lo mo chaka those songs ne ita simkha. Casablanca na I Blanca you the iPhone.
No, it's Casablanca.
Just ikwazi. I Blanca le show sama kwati de hlambi. Casablanca.
Oh, I'm saying black.
Okay.
Black is what in the show.
Am I sabe? Brame Blanca ngayenza first.
na ta n'wi fikise hungu
Loko. Question.
ni kombe ku hlamula hi maxani ni kombe ku correct mina ni xi vona xikwatini because every time loko ni vona ti-video ta xona tshama xikwatini
So I'm talking xivumbeko xa xo xitsalo xikwatini. I said one. This your boy Blockhead say you know what it is, man. You know how I do my things. Okay.
ngopfu vanhu va ka gaza mina
Kuna Casablanca da ne. Kuna K-Med. K-Med is big, ne? He's big, that guy. But angayen lang so simka I love your beat, give me the beat. Just a bit and bango mami. Cause after go the very same thing. Okay, kuna ngoma K-Med.
Yeah.
Mara production I still care man. But this guy stood his ground. Look, honestly, but cool, those guys were featured, and it's beautiful.
He mentioned something that I like. You know, when you're an artist, you need to stand your ground.
Yeah.
You need to know for
Yeah.
understand. You can't just do a song namun kungarna agreement yoka.
Yeah.
He spoke about the splits.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, a lot of artists Gaza, I don't know if they just don't know the splits, or they just don't want to do it.
Yeah.
When the song blows up,
Yeah.
now you come back and claim.
With that claim.
You understand? Claim iphele ngoma ya mina na mina.
Yeah.
Understand? But if we check the registration part,
Yeah.
you're not even there.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
You're not even there ka the registration part. Ka Sambro abaitivi na ku itiva ngoma.
Yeah.
Sambra aitivi, Risa
Abaitivi.
Or ukuma ku ya loyi unga featurana na
featurana,
yena.
yeah.
Xi fiki xi register xi teka 100% ya ngoma. Now when you come back and claim the song, xi komba proof.
I think it's the same thing that ka issue la Papa Orlan.
Yes,
One GK,
one GK,
he wasn't
very same
credited on the song. His name is not on the song, but he's on the song. So it's more like that.
And when they spoke to him, yeah, nabade ay come mal mo voice I was no problem
Yeah,
mashakela ma.
true.
Loko se ngoma se yiku hey. Le fila ngare menyeke Xitsonga.
Yeah,
Same-
that's the thing.
Same thing happened to Nomcebo. You remember the story of Nomcebo and Master KG?
Mr. KG.
Yes. That song made millions.
Too much.
Ne?
That's
Yeah.
Made millions.
Yeah.
But
global anthem.
what was the agreement? The agreement was feature me on the song, pay me this much.
Yeah.
Understand? That's
Yeah.
where the catch
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
Pay me this much. If I'm a DJ,
Yeah.
that's like Master KG. If I'm a DJ, I come to Simca, Kombela feature away.
Yeah.
I'm a DJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't stand your ground and tell me what you want,
What you want.
Mina, I'll do as I like.
Yeah.
True.
You understand?
Yeah.
If you tell me Guru Lava 5,000 for feature, I will give you that 5,000. Minu mile.
Nenda swa mina nya swa mina.
Ni promota ngoma uhlamala ngoma yinifambisa mo Cape Town,
Yeah.
Mozambique, mo Zimbabwe. Where ule kwi?
Ulotama.
Lotama. And you are the
rand ka
vocalist.
5,000.
And you are the vocalist.
Yeah, so wow.
Swi vava ngopfu swo fana leswiya. So you mention xin'wana xa important ngopfu. I feel like we need to teach our
Artists,
people,
ne?
our artists about this thing because swa va onhela ka ndhawu because loko u endla nghoma phela you don't know ku ri ngoma leyi
Ita in something.
Itafika kwini, yeah.
Yin'wana tin'wana ti ba studio tingoma. Tinga blow, tin'wana ti big studio loko ti huma ti blow.
yes
Yabo. So Simka, I want to ask you her ka le one topic ne. Ya matirhelo ku loko se vanhu va swi ta ku tirhisa ku yini.
Yeah.
Let's say a artist, a producer or a manager ya munhu.
Yeah.
Loko munhu aka approach a ta ka wena a kha a lava ku tirha na wena u tirhisa ku yini.
So it depends on what you want. But so far with the Afro Xigaza genre, I'm not like giving it out to like other people. You get it? Like so far, it's just a matter of me, like people collaborating with me, then I release the song.
Okay.
But then with the other genres, I don't mind. They just hit me up. If we agree on splits, then I'm just going to produce the beat. Then one nigga, they release the song. Then we split the song. just like that. You get it? So if it's Afro Xigaza, I'm going to release the song, then we do splits, just like that.
So okay. Tuzuzwana wena aka Afro Xigaza. O open kum artist ingate fa ku. Le answer say that to kure.
Yeah.
Ku release wena.
Yeah.
You open artist ingate fa ku. This thing ku te ku release wena. So I would like to add my vocals. Ka sound ya wena, and then you are okay with that? And then
I am okay with that, ne? As long as like vocal ya a person do alaba ku faka the vocal like kainan yeri as they are listening to stuff like I saw, because like I have like a different vision with the genre. I just don't want like anyone to be part of the
so you
yeah.
But I get his point.
So it's like that, yeah.
Because look, so now I'm thinking we have a serious problem, Gaza.
Yeah.
Yeah, how can I put it?
La. EVUNANGENI.
The artist doctor
Yeah.
or thing one.
Yeah.
Artist code kuimbele.
Yeah. So.
Abash code kuimbele.
Yeah.
But you are a producer. You know what I'm talking about. You're a producer, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Na meaning at studio
True.
Understand?
Yeah.
We have a lot of artists gagas but they are using different elements or the plugins.
Yeah.
Just like auto-tune.
Yeah.
As how we align. But when I listen to your sound,
Yeah.
that sound needs someone who can sing. Understand?
Yeah.
That's someone who can sing.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's how ila munhu kota kuimbelela. And Simkhane, we took that conversation he is a group in loko ni wa tivisa hi wena ku ri this guy Simkhane or release the instrumentals. So ko vana just kwana kwala ka vocal ne.
Yeah.
These guys were like, hey, I think it could be very 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 bad loko the man o chela the vocal.
Yeah.
Even then ko njani men right because I hlamusela into kota ku twisa kahle ku tani magaza ne.
Yeah.
When we say this is our sound or this is our music, kuna like haimbelela tlanga ezimagaza.
True.
Awungena china tsena no imbelela score and everything. So if this guy can try to
Add vocals.
yeah,
Yeah.
shingatira. Mina I had like hope ne mara ayingari angaslavi mina ne.
Yeah.
I remember we spoke about it. Angaslavi ne. Maloko man lo nto came at na Casablanca.
Yeah.
Even yeah, I have to write about Dee Roka. Did you go those two songs? Look, myself have right. So yeah, I mean, get vocals if you wanna get vocals.
Yeah.
Ndana your instrumentals if you wanna do your instrumentals. Simnandi kwas.
Yeah, because when I remember like the first time when I released the first EP, my aim was to make more songs that would finally just release instrumentals, because like I don't want to lie, the instrumentals they sound better by themselves. Like for music lovers, I'm not like that genre is not for everybody. So if somebody like really likes music, so if somebody runs a music, they can listen to that genre just because of they love music.
Yeah.
It's not because of they want to be hyped or something, because that genre is not like a genre you could hype. Hey, we're doing some car. Hey. Yeah. No, it's not like that. Yeah, it's just for the music lovers.
I think I'm music lover. Why? You visit that EP from Pulukwan to Pitor. Outang someone too.
So
It's got like back
if Oromun wa music, you will understand.
Yeah.
You will understand the sound.
Yeah.
I always say, you know, whenever someone comes up with something new, people will listen to you. You understand?
True.
Xikarhi ka timanga.
ka timanga.
Yeah.
So ntu wa xikarhi ka tihove or xikarhi ka timanga.
xikarhi ka
Tihove lo tiswekiwile.
tihove se yi kona yi ku principal va rete
Ya leyi lava principal leyi.
endluwa exikarhi ka timanga
You are kuna
yo adendluwa
yeah. Kuna pfilu ka Gaza ne.
Yeah.
There's a lot that is happening.
Yeah.
But you just came and say, okay,
I see that.
I see that, but I just want to be alone.
Mesori makam.
Hey.
yeah
He's right.
exactly
He's right.
phela kujiwani akuna music wa
Oh,
jiwani
imana tlanga ku music wa jiwani.
Wow.
Imana sorry xana xi veka nkahle. Xi veka nkahle. A tlanga music wa jiwani.
Oh.
Imana producer yin'wana yi tlanga ku sound ya jiwani.
Wow.
Yes, let me put it like that.
wow
Wow.
that's kuma ku ri ne fan base ya jiwani yi ta tshama yi ri kona because
Yeah.
I used to kun'wana swilo leswiya so now where your fan base ne ta tshama yi ri kona because I used to kun'wana swilo leswiya
Yeah.
you understand
True.
I used to kun'wana so mina kun'wana xin'wana is simkhane
Yeah.
because loko ni cheka sim ta wena and I'm checking the bookings ne ko tala maybe let me say okay probably Kagash Kore is one person la book about everything is
Yeah.
growing Gaza artist
Yeah.
vas lava shlabi the man actually train matim
True. True.
so himi Kagash this one la book sim cars
Yeah.
imagonza kusayo music ne and lasibona ku ufikini let's say so utebeka vanhu like asha ignorek
Yeah.
say uthi tomorrow fana na jigijigi with a speaker
Yeah.
Like
I nga ignore
how we ignore.
Yeah.
so if you want to make money like what ngomali you can still make money you
Yeah.
bring more people to the event ne let's say musha la kuramba this one checking Afro Xigaza how are you going to do it like ufkala u DJ yo Afro Xigaza like what's going to happen
You know, it's gonna be different in my performance meme because remember that like I don't put my vocals got this genre, right?
Yeah.
I can perform the song. It's possible, just like other artists back over
Yeah.
like we have seen that a lot of times, right? So if the song it's mine, right? People are gonna know since like local promoter these songs. People are gonna know, okay, ngoma ya Simka, right? So when I get booked, people are going to see who Simka
is.
right? It's either I can perform or maybe DJ. I can do that.
okay so what I'm going to because it's a bit tricky ne
Yeah.
let's say I'm a fan of K-Man
Yeah.
ntu a family
Yeah.
and then ubukiwa wena ne and I'm excited ku hey kuna simkashi nga bukiwa ne
Yeah.
and the simkashi na a family na
K-Man.
the K-Man and that's the biggest song
Yeah.
I don't think Simka can skip that song cassette ya
Yeah.
kuma ku mina loko ni ya lane ni fina ya K-Man na kona K-Man I'm pretty sure ku them start perform don't you think unga end up magato let's say loko bukiwa can you reach out to those guys
Okay. Okay. Look, yeah. It doesn't have to. Okay, look, here's my take on that. It doesn't have to be like that as always, man.
Yeah.
Because we can take a look at G-Man and Rain Man.
Yeah.
Rain Man is always performing those songs, and
Yeah.
he doesn't have vocals on the whole, like all of those songs. Angachelang too. Yeah, Rain Man.
Jim Berman, Rainman, SBX,
Timbani.
Timbani, Shakodol,
Yeah,
some Kajirila,
Yeah.
some was family. Come on, I look like on Mare.
Oh, ntshamile ku vona ti-video ta vaisa lava ne.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I do act with them when I'm home. Na act na vona.
Oh okay.
Close friend na
SBX.
na general.
Yeah.
Kokwania.
Xigaza. Oh, Kokwan Xigaza, I've never met him.
My team.
Tango.
But he's my friend as well. He's
Yeah.
my friend. Yeah, we do talk via WhatsApp.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can do like Rain Man. Eh?
Yeah, I can do it like Rain Man, or I can do it like Mapuri. So I have like a lot of options.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just go then can DJ and come on my what
Yes,
what
Mapuri is a vibe.
That's how it's
Yeah,
a vibe.
Mapuri is a vibe. Yeah, because
Yeah.
Mapuri is just.
Now question ne.
Yeah,
Your sound is growing ne.
yeah,
But we have a very serious problem with come music. The whole industry of music.
yeah,
We have a very serious problem. AI. You know, if there's someone who knows how to put the prompt ka AI,
Yeah.
he can do this very same production.
I doubt Kuri they can do the same thing.
Okay, maybe something similar.
It can just be similar
Yes,
to that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You are a producer.
Yeah.
I've seen that. I've proven that. Because I wanted to check. Na investigator.
Yeah.
Madlanga commission ya hina.
Na buy CEO munhu akube hita ku ya munhu o blind aso busy uthamile AI.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I've done my investigation.
Yeah.
And I've proven you are
Yeah.
a producer. Because I saw a video lay out saying how to create an Afro tech song.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. So how do you feel the AI as a producer who produces raw material?
Yeah.
And then there's a producer who just goes to
Prompt,
AI,
right.
at the prompt,
Yeah.
then get the song, the AI. How do you feel about AI?
Okay, and I always wanted to make a video about this. So I don't feel like AI is bad in the music industry. AI is actually good, because we can if we can go back, At first, Vanu, Aba Imbelela straight, back then. People were just singing. Then somebody introduced auto-tune. And people were complaining, what's the honor? You don't know how to sing and so on. We adapted to that, right? Now there's AI. So AI depends on how you use it, just like auto-tune. So it's like you sing, then you put a wrong key, auto-tune. You won't listen to that. That's gonna sound bad.
Yeah.
It's the same with AI. You can go then prompt, the song comes out bad. You can go there, prompt, the song comes out good. You can go there and prompt, you take the stems, you use them. And here's another thing. The producer that go the samples. Those things do create win.
Yeah.
That's also cheating. If we're to blame AI, that's cheating as well.
If I blame it from
Hey, why don't we blame the ones that just found something that somebody made it? And they're saying AI is taking from the already existing what.
There's a lot of songs.
There's a lot, right? So we should blame those ones first. And here's another thing: the simple packs that we use, it's not something that we created ourselves.
Someone created it.
We didn't take a mic and record the key, the snare and all those things.
Someone did that.
We found that on the internet, we downloaded, somebody did that, right? Then of course, the beats. And we cannot call that we created our beats from scratch, if that's the case, right? So it's the same with AI, right? You can prompt, take some few melodies, put it some of your tracks, just like that. That's my whole take on AI. I don't think AI is bad. It's just a tool that you can use as well.
Nangoma AI niente. Hey, bagda.
Really?
Numbers Afro tech. Hey, bagda.
No.
You know, Simka. This is a serious problem when you're I don't wanna lie.
Really?
Yeah. It's a serious problem, and at the end of the day, we'll just have to accept.
We just have
just have to
it's
accept.
evolution.
Yes,
it's part of evolution. Yeah.
But you know me now what I like, ne?
Yeah.
I like producers who goes to AI maybe to fix whatever they feel like, no, I can't play this.
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, for example, let's say I'm a producer, but I can't play a guitar.
Yeah.
You understand? I made a song.
Shota line,
But
yeah.
I need a guitar.
Yeah. And that's why we don't have a plugin for that.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Then
You know, even if you have a plugin, sometimes you need to know how to play
Oh, okay. Yeah.
piano.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
To play what you want, or you just don't want to mess it up.
Yeah.
You
Or
understand?
maybe you don't want to make a loop. Repeat. You want something that changes over time.
Yes.
And all those things.
So
I
if
do
you're a
understand.
producer, if you know what you want, you just put those prompts. Okay, you produce the beat, you go to AI,
it's just
put those prompts.
just that bass line.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fake a guitar. You understand?
True.
Yeah. So I feel like I respect producers like that.
Yeah.
But someone who goes to AI
And prompt.
and prompt everything.
Kufana mina commercial direction prompt everything.
Understand?
Ko ba lyric tsena mara ani ngona yona swa fana no tsala ku kimbelela ku yini kwembelwa.
One thing I like about AI, fana na relationship love. You know what you can do. You just record your voice. You understand?
Yeah.
You just record your voice.
My voice.
If you don't want to sing car or durela,
Yeah.
production and all that.
About voice I mean.
But here's the catch. The mastering, yeah, AI.
Yeah.
Not mastering.
SIM card.
SIM card. It won't be the same.
True.
Understand?
Yeah.
It won't be the same because that's a robot that is doing that.
Yeah.
Understand?
And Simka has control over the beat.
Everything.
They can choose to play the snare on the left side, on the right side, the key. That's the thing. And with AI, you can't do that.
So if you want to do that, yes, you can do all that, but still comes back and say, hey, Simka, nothing woman at the end.
Yeah.
Please check them out. If they need mastering, please master them.
Yeah.
I feel like that can work.
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, I have a question. I can't explain my question. The one you trigger Facebook. And I feel like skahle ku we be karabale.
Yeah.
Nisibona ngopfu ka the comments ka Facebook ne when you are just letting out maybe khotsala like post everything or maybe when live it.
Yeah.
There's some people they believe like you are this rude guy like very demand very you are rude, you are full of yourself like like you are that guy so
Yeah.
so like but like I said kokona bona motho since isuka lesi kwakho zefika lawane I didn't see that part yeah you see this song it's mine there was bona blind me no DJ and this songs of says lo me kan ngwana one but belongo ishilo sha me he could he even said ila nchayini and I'm like maraleka Facebook level this guy is full of himself rude and everything like what's happening why those comments
No, I don't even know them. The thing is like loko vanhu vavona munhu endla something great, right? They tend to be judgmental.
yeah
So that's what I can say.
Yeah.
People are judgmental. People can judge you based on how you look, right?
Yeah.
They see me like blowing up. Hey, this guy was blowing up. So you then like, hey, yeah. There's nothing to do with me. You hate me. You don't hate me.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with me.
Because very shiflanga shifiki.
Yeah.
One of the mention one. I'm not sure if it's your friend or what. Ne?
Yeah.
Shiri, the famous comment. They think it's AI. Every time some cash drop out like maybe a beat or something.
Yeah.
I don't know, but talking AI.
Yeah.
Taman shifika shiku. Famous comment. They think it's AI. What's almost noticed?
Yeah, I've noticed
Ima
that as
demonisha.
well. I don't even know him as well.
You understand? Like
Yeah.
they might say, "What are AI put?" And AI.
Yeah.
Me someone who favor blind. Man, utala comment and like post me.
Ne?
I think
Really?
when we spoke about you last episode,
Yeah.
you even mentioned me. I told you.
It's that guy. It's
I
him.
told you Dee Roka. Dee Roka will talk about
it.
Hey,
Oh, it's that guy.
Yeah.
I told. Comment like I knew you could Dee Roka.
We'll talk about you.
Yeah. So Daniel. Look at him, Jack.
Hey, man.
Yeah, ne.
I work favor me.
Blind.
I work favor them.
Ngwe maribito.
Ntiso Daniel. Ntiso Daniel.
Masonga kai.
Uma aphala buramene uma ka makhuba.
Kamakuba.
Ya granda ko ya.
Na sweswi leswi nga tshama laha leswi nga
E basa wa yiri.
hi ta humesa behind the scene.
Okay. Kuna ngoma engiliteni ne. You mean tola ngawe?
No.
Blay.
No, that we talked about it.
I saw.
Yeah, I wanted to know. Rio Marin.
There's a possibility we go home that song.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I said. There's a possibility because we had like a disagreement on who to release the song, and which is something that I've been talking about. I wanted to own the sound, and unfortunately, they wanted the song to be theirs. Yeah, so we just had a disagreement.
Okay.
So, any collaborations that we can expect?
I haven't confirmed them, but you can expect Kanye on my.
Kanye.
Yeah.
So kuimane go wallahi.
You can expect Kanye
Number one.
on one of the songs.
That girl.
Yeah.
It's me and the live sessions that day. But what I got Xitsonga vocally, I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed.
That's why you remember the way Ulawula is car.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think I mentioned it already. He needs a vocal like
Like
Kai.
True.
Can go. Need drop blow. She understand. Marla.
You know, blow.
Look
Yeah, I
blow.
know
She
that.
lo katamus. Ikatamus.
Yeah.
So logo.
I was sure.
Mus so logo am tagana ne mara wawe na saswane kunyika ya ni blow. Wawe na blow. Yeah. Okay. Can you? Oh, long way surprise.
Yeah. So the rest of that would surprise you.
Okay, I would say, now we would this also.
Okay.
Rivala is surprised that way.
Yeah.
Rivala is lava already, mga pipeline.
Yeah.
Who is the biggest Mundoin ngataku ya. I wonder if I can have this one.
Yeah.
I'm satisfied. Gagas.
Ooh. I think that can be tough, because like based on my sound, I will have just a person. Like it doesn't matter who you're big figure queen.
Yeah.
The sound just needs someone with a good voice. You get it? So I can say, okay, I want time free, but time free what fit okay at the sound.
Yeah.
That's the question first. You see, and also I remember speaking to Miss Hillary as well. So we're supposed to do something, but unfortunately she was busy with her projects and stuff.
Man, I have this person, and I'm taking it. But I can say you go do something or do more with a K-Man.
Oh yeah.
It fits very well.
True.
DJ, long time to confirm and I'm WhatsApp. Some got K-Man that. Triumph no one man, along of Xigaza man. That guy is vocally good. Black Myth.
Oh, Black Myth. Yeah, he's also good.
Yeah. Why it's what's all?
No, I've seen Black Myth singing live.
Afro pop show. That's what you're gonna
Black Myth umakamalambele.
Oh, man, I'm free. Yeah.
Tamin performer logo ne heta ba ku sheshu.
La ka padlia.
Ba ku sheshu ngena.
Kama green padlia.
All black.
Pandre ko perform after la venda pen.
Oh, min performini.
I don't want to pela pen going Black Myth on tabuli and chila stage.
Yes, performing after Black Myth. After me and then kungena la venda.
Man perform after la venda. An kono matik mambe.
Angese
kono matik mambe rata long artist na VIP.
Angese tika teka.
Ne.
But yeah.
Okay, many lagu sana na kaya kufaleni SMK. Bantu bakuma kwe for working with you or for bookings or for anything. Jamu ola kufunwa hii production. Let's say mina produce.
Yeah.
My own sound. Let's say in produce a piano.
Yeah.
But I love your trumpets.
Oh.
Kuniwa or maybe ola collab and everything. Where do people get you? Like your numbers or your socials?
No, they can just like hit me up, TikTok, Facebook. I can't say YouTube. Well, maybe they can just comment. But one thing with comments, sometimes I don't take them serious. Because if someone is to comment, then leave it there. I just feel like they're not serious. But if somebody hits my inbox, then they're serious. And also they can find my number, like Kati Bayotame and Quad. There's my phone number there.
Wanna YouTube ne?
Yeah.
YouTube yo ba.
For me, YouTube is easy.
Ya ba YouTube ba ngo ngasti boy tlambe.
No,
YouTube ya ba.
On YouTube ne.
Yeah.
Loko se bantu sina ku toloveriwa. Loko se va ku toloverini ka YouTube.
Yeah.
Then it becomes easy.
Wadropa xilo phela ava 3 years kuma chela tingeni 23 reviews.
Wangenisa xilo ku fana na misa un'wana u tivaka. swiswa swi trenda ka TikTok mara loko ya ka YouTube
At my chum.
22 views
That's not YouTube ya baba.
understand but yeah bakuma Facebook
TikTok.
TikTok. Yeah, they can check my bio. Not like WhatsApp, but check out bio. My number phone is on my bios.
So kuna question yin'wana lawa ni simkhane.
Yeah.
Ba hlaleri va tsaka ka va je ku hi nga fambi hi nga swi tivanga mpela va swi tivi ku la ku ra vona ri le kwihi.
Yeah.
Una munhu.
I'm taken, people. I'm fully taken.
uma phalawura
So boane. O phela ora busy. Okay, so loko kuna se so karhi at lavela sim card we are sorry but you can try your luck. Ngwing boxer o ta ala kwele loko a tshembi kula loko ale I'm just kuna ngingela yo tsanga ri munhu u like a camera I'm taken.
Yeah.
Mara le handle ka xi hundeni u free.
Na
Zama that's what
Jojo ani bolo veri te kwamlingeni vele.
Maita ngoma ya Rose.
Yiri.
Track 1 ya ka album le ya God's Time. Yiri mngamatsiki ma Robin.
Sweswo.
ingoma yakhoza dila ngokhoza
Yeah. Ingoma ya God's Time.
Wayengoma yin'wana n'wana ku mina.
loko
Ya ma Robin.
hey whoa wait ekhoza wait loko ya watsundzuka u ntivisa ingoma leya loko hi ya Cape Town loko hi ya teka hi ya landa va ri mani a hi landa Gaza Bosch leswi tsundzuka kahle hi kha hi fambafamba swikhona swa le Proteas Land
Loko tingoma leti ngi vulavula hi kahle.
Jeko gena gumuni mbasa ku ka. Di ba ku tama.
Ni di ba ku
Iguru bana shirame. Jala hi koma hi Jesse. Or tama Robin.
I did
I think so. But I'm not going Rose. I can't go.
No.
And I've had like
Matsiki
I had like
Marobe.
so many songs back then. You see, it's just that like I wasn't following him.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the
Album le ngana tiso of Tom. Poverty so of Tom.
yeah.
But God's Time is the best, ne? The first track intro ma Robin back down.
Okay. I will check it out.
Ima nyol ma Dee Roka.
Yeah.
Simka
Yeah.
the boy car ne
Yeah.
we still have things to do
Okay.
So-
No problem.
mina nkesi ngoku wafikile ne what I can say try by all means to keep your sound
Yeah.
Yeah, eh.
try by all means
Nah,
keep
thanks.
your sound own it munhu wun'wana na wun'wana laha taka ka wena fana a swi tiva ku ri this is Simka's sound not leswiya hi swona though ku ta fika nkarhi lowu ku nga ta
Tumbuluka ximunhwana.
yeah van'wani va ta yi kota no yi tlanga but
Yeah.
they will know where it comes from just like Nzumba we know where it comes from
Yeah.
Yeah.
you understand
Yeah.
because the person who created it owned it
Yeah.
you understand
Yeah.
mara vanhu van'wani va fikile vele un'wana na un'wana sweswi can produce now when you show u kota ku produce Nzumba but you know where it comes from
Yeah.
yeah
True.
so I would say all the best ka journey ya wena ungayiteka
Nah, thanks.
go and do good better than what we know so that's all from me
So from me ne.
Yeah.
Wala movie. No, I lie.
It seems like we have a lot to talk about.
You will inquire. Mina wish you. Melo kondana na mo ne DJ na ikele sasa ndlako. Nangranda and get pretend like I loved you the moment nitwa shit video sha TikTok lesha.
Yeah.
Even then when Bella make me smile EP. This one national wa shamina le yinga homa mara. Looking at the new 2 songs I found in a
yeah,
lawyer.
yeah.
Mara this one out of all the songs. Mina nfamba na shluwa shamina sharp. Shluwa shamina sharp.
litlangile o le teng
Yeah. And I can't wait for everything that's coming.
Yeah.
One thing for sure, release. Yeah, release because logo nga release ne.
Yeah.
Barbaza bako I teba make me smile, teba shluwa.
Alo tumbela.
Keep them coming. He bored that still doesn't get
Yeah.
ya tolovela. swi kona swin'wana swi ba a nga swi tolovelani se hi toloveleni hi busy hi ku jikijiki migonyetela swipikara hi ze hi tolovela
hi nga ta za hi ngeka general hi nga tiyimiselaka
ya ma swi vona mara hayi ta xita siku rin'wana ku ta tsaka
vahlaleri va hina please don't forget to subscribe mi share talk about us a hi ri na simcar mfana wa
gaza xa ma
2050
van'wana mi nge ri voni lembe rero
Afro Xigaza we don't know kumbe na wu nge fiki
swa ndleka
yeah so thank you for watching guys
thank you very much ho famba njhani leyo tango